Good morning, everyone. Now, the sum number 5.19 of the Poisson distribution. A restaurant manager is interested in taking a more statistical approach to predicting the customer load. She begins the process by gathering the data. One of the restaurant host or hostesses is assigned to count the customers every 5 minutes from 7 p.m. until 8 p.m. every Saturday night for the 3 weeks. The data are shown here. After the data are gathered, the manager computes lambda using the data from all the 3 weeks as one data set as a basis for probability analysis. What value of lambda did she find? Means first of all you will require to find out the lambda value, then and only then you can go further to answer the further questions. Assume that these customers randomly arrive and that the arrival are Poisson distributed. Use the value of lambda computed by the manager and help the manager to calculate the probabilities in the part A through E for any given 5-minute interval between 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Number of arrivals are given for the week 1, week 2 and week 3. Question number A to E are given, but first of all you will require to calculate the lambda. So 5.19. Firstly lambda. Lambda's formula is lambda means average, so that is sigma x upon n. You are required to make the summation of the all 3 weeks data and then divide with the total number of values. So if you are clubbing all this data, then you will get the total of 126 and total values are given 36. So your lambda will be 3.5. Now first question, right? Lambda 3.5 per 5-minute interval. Question A. What is the probability that no customer arrive during any given 5-minute interval? It means you are required to calculate the value for the x equals to 0. So P of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. 3.5 raised to 0 into e raised to minus 3.5 upon 0 factorial. So it will be 1. That value we will find out from the table. So it is on the page number 793. E raised to minus 3.5. So 3.5 value is 0.0302. 0.0302. So the final answer is 0.0302. Now question number B. What is the probability that 6 or more customers arrive during any given 5-minute interval? So P of x greater than or equals to 6. So from 6 to 36 it will be very tough. So you will use over here the reverse value, 1 minus P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3, P of 4 and P of 5. These all values we will find out from the table and put over here. Our lambda value is 3.5. It is available on the page number 789. So P of 0, P of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? These values we will combine and then we will deduct it from the 1. So if you are combining all these value, then you will get the 0.8577. So finally your answer will be 0.1424. Then C. What is the probability that during the 10-minute interval fewer than 4 customers arrive? Fewer than means less than 4, but here the time period has changed. It is now 10 minutes interval. Previously it was 5-minute interval. So time period has been double. So you have to make the lambda also in the double times. So you are required to find out the fewer than 4, right? Lambda will be 3.5 into 2, so that is 7 per 10 minutes interval. That you have to mention to get the full marks, right? So p of x less than 4, p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 and plus p of 3. These all values we will again check it out from the table. Now our lambda is 7, so it is on the page number 790. These all values you will club. So if I am combining all these values, my answer will be 0.0817. Question D. What is the probability that between the 3 and 6 inclusive customer arrive in any 10-minute interval? It means you have to find out the values between 3 to 6, but 3 will be also included and 6 also will be included. So p of 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 6. Again lambda will be 7 because it is again the 10 minutes interval. So your answer will be p of 3 plus p of 4 plus p of 5 and plus p of 6. So again this table we will use because lambda is 7, page number 790. From 0.0521, 0.0912, 1277 and 1490. So your answer will be 0.4209. And last one, E. What is the probability that exactly 8 customers arrive in the 15-minute interval? So now again lambda will be changed because it is the matter of the 15 minutes. So your lambda will be 3.5 into 3. So it will be 10.5. P of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. P of 8, 10.5 raised to 8 into e raised to minus 10.5 upon 8 factorial. So your answer will be 0.1009. You can solve this or you can directly use the value from as a P8 from the table. So that's it for the sum.